Hello everyone, welcome to the first actual YouTube video on this channel that's information based. So this is going to be covering the Child Advance Tax Credit. We get questions asked about this at the firm on a daily basis now. So first thing is, who does the credit pertain to and what is a credit? So every parent that claims a dependent child or children, this information is pretty important to. If you have a child between the ages of 0 and 5, you're going to get a $3,600 credit. Okay. If you have a child between the ages of 6 and 17, you get a $3,000 credit. Now, what does the Advanced Child Tax Credit actually do? What it's doing is it's sending out a check for 1/12 of that credit you're supposed to get at the end of the year every month to you as an incentive for parents to use the money the government is giving you to help try to, raise your children and the tax break they're giving you to encourage parents to spend that money on things that directly benefit the child rather than vacations at the end of the year. So basically, if you have one child that's 3 years old, you're getting $300 a month. If you have one child that's 14 years old, you're getting $250 a month. If you have a child that's 3 and a child that's 14, then you're getting a $550 a month check in the mail or direct deposited to your bank account. Now, things to ask and things to look for. This is going to present a lot of problems. So, the IRS anticipated this, and they sent out this Form 6419, which is basically saying what the IRS thinks you have received from them for the Advanced Child Tax Credit. Now, they also issued a statement shortly after they released this Form 6419 that it is likely wrong. So then they created this IRS parent portal. You can just find this on Google IRS Advanced Tax Credit information. It'll bring you to the place to sign in to create this parent portal. And it is another verification similar to the 6419, but it will likely say something different than the 6419 does. Now, a third thing that I am recommending all my clients do is actually pull all of your personal bank statements from July to December of 2021 and verify that you received the amount that you were supposed to for the credit. The issues that can occur: if you did not get all of the credit you were supposed to, you will get it on your return. We can claim it. If there's issues, you can fight it. Your preparer will know how to deal with that. I'm not going to go into that. So, first thing, if you did not put direct deposit information on your last tax return, so they're supposed to be mailing you a check, but you moved, the paychecks will be sent to the wrong address, meaning that the IRS is going to show that you received this money on the 6419 on the parent on the portal, but you did not actually receive it. Your tax preparer will know what to do with that. It's complicated, but they'll know how to get you the proper amount that you're due for your children's credits. Second, if the parents are split, and alternate claiming of the children. So 1 year the wife claims them, the next year the husband claims them, the next year the wife claims them. Last year the husband claimed the children. This year the wife's supposed to claim the children, but because they go off of last year's tax return, the husband is kind of getting half of the wife's credit for this year's tax return. The IRS has given us no guidance that I have seen to how to deal with this. It's going to be individual basis. You might not get it all back. You might have to take the small claims court. It's not going to be a pretty situation for anybody involved. Third, if income is increased to over the threshold, which you can Google it, it's pretty easy, I don't remember off the top of my head, but if your income is increased over the threshold, you could be required to pay the advance payments back. This is going to cause more issues, meaning that you're going to be liable for more money whenever you turn in your tax return. However, it's something like $150,000 is whenever it's fully phased out. So if you're not making that kind of money, then you're okay. Third, this one's actually good. If your income has decreased because of COVID, or you lost your job or for whatever reason, and you didn't get it because before you had a really good job making 150, or you and your husband together were making 150, and you didn't get it, well, now you will be able to eligible to claim all of the total credit for that. So, as a recap, first, every child that you have that is between the age of 0 and 5, you should be expecting to get a $300 paycheck in the mail from July to December. If they're 6 to 17, you should be expecting a $250 check in the mail from the IRS. Okay. If you did not get that, you will be able to claim it. The IRS might not even show that they sent you all of them, but that's individual situation. Third, I really recommend every single one of my clients go look at the 6419, verify the 6419 information with the parent portal, and then also verify it with your bank statements. Okay? If you don't know how to do this, you can ask a preparer and they'll walk you through it. Third, there's a number of issues that can occur with this advance payment. And to be honest with you, Congress didn't think this through very well, and the IRS is just following Congress's rules. So please do your due diligence. Talk to your preparer. They know that this situation is going on. Any preparer worth their salt knows that this is going to be a mess. So I hope you do. I hope you have the best. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments. If you want more specific guidance, you can email me directly at muth@aaaaccounting.com. And that is, I'll type that here. It's muth@aaaaccountingfirm.com. So that's my direct email. If you would like more specific guidance, I can give you more specific guidance with your individual situation and personal information there. Please, if you have any other ideas or things you would like me to make videos about, drop them down in the comments, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thanks.